Hello and welcome to the channel. Thanks for stopping by. Today we've just got a quick unboxing of a new TIMEX watch that I got. It is a good deal at the minute. You can pick this up as low as £22 on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description. That's what I picked it up for. Normally it retails about £40 and it's the 39mm Expedition Camper, the T42571. Now this will be the smallest watch that I think I've purchased, so I'll be intrigued to see how it fits on my wrist. I'll just slide it out the box. Oh, wrong way round. And there we go. So as low as £22. Let's see if I can get out the box for the first time. Is it cut in? Well, that didn't sound good, did it? Is it fixed in? Of course it is, so I'm going to need to cut that. So let me just do that. Okay, great. So I've cut the little tie just on the back there, so it all should just slide out. There we go. Oh, I'm guessing I broke that off. Whoops. Which way does it slide? Oh, there's another little tie there. So let me just... Well, we determined that this wasn't going to fall out. And here we go. Peel that off. And it's what is it? It's a resin case, so it's extremely light. I can feel that already. Let's take the little tag off. There we go. It's tick 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 ticking. Now this strap, okay, is a nylon strap. Oh, I thought it was Velcro. Okay, that's interesting. I was under the impression it was a Velcro strap, but there you go. It's nylon strap. Oh, there we go, Expedition just on the back. Stainless steel case back. Tells you what battery it is, which is always useful, so you can order the right one. Water resistant to 50 meters. Let me just try this on my wrist and we'll take a look and see what we think. And here we go, this is it on my wrist. So this is a 39mm. I say probably the smallest watch I've ordered over the last 6 months or so. Yeah, it's actually not too bad on my wrist. Just move the mouse. Yeah, the strap's a bit stiff. I've got another hole left on there, so I may have to loosen it off one just to get it to the right fit, to be honest. It's very light, but obviously TIMEX, 50 meters water resistant. It's got Indiglow, which you won't, oh, you can probably just see that picking that up. Yeah, you can probably just see that. I'll do obviously on the full review. But I'll wear this now for a good week before I do the review for it, so keep an eye out for that. If you want to see the review for that, please subscribe. And if this is not your type of watch, this might be your type of watch. And I'll put a link up to this review of this watch up in the corner. Thanks for dropping by and see you on the next video. Thanks.